Take a strap, select from short, medium, and long straps according to individual size, and fix it on the abdomen. Fix the handle on the treatment area with the strap. Parameter setting. Mode, Auto. Sex and age range, set according to the user's profile. Area, Abdomen. EMS mode, M1. Press the Confirm button. Intensity, 36%. EMS energy level, 3. Time, 30 minute. Press the A1/A2 button to start the treatment. Waiting time ends. Turn off the machine, remove the handles, release the strap, and finish.